I'm here. No, we're here.
So, we're spending our New Year's at Raffles.
It's nice, no?
Yeah.
I think Peninsula is parang marketplace na.
Hindi na masarap ang pagkain sa peninsula.
No, no way. People just want to be seen. It's not that's all.
Yeah. And make chismis.
Oh.
Now, it's Raffles tonight. I think the other time, I know we went to a restaurant. Chari. Chari. Chari.
The lobby is...
So, we're at the Long Bar Raffles Hotel. And there's my friend Chari. The famous Singapore sling, which originated in Raffles. Originated in Raffles, Singapore.
Yes.
Ah. Ang ingay! Ang ingay! Ang ingay! So maingay. Yung mga kurang na ingay.
What are you saying?
Ha?
I can't hear you.
I'm saying ang ingay ang mga gurang na iingay.
Quran? What? I don't know what that means. Quran.
Oh. What's that? Asante. Okay, and this is my tuna tostada. Okay, special cropek, special order for Pika Pika. Yes, that one. Thank you. Haba-haba ng pangalan. So this is Fairmont at Raffles. Oh, say mo. And then, Chari's. Okay, you may open the door.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Dapat ata dito kami na lang, ano? Nice, oh. Oh, nice, oh. Nice. Wow, this is nice. This is the lobby of Raffles. Fairmont ito. Talaga. So this is the lobby.
Where can we have a drink here? Where can we have a drink?
We can have a drink there. Ganda.
Checking already? Huh? Oh, you're checking already?
No, no, no.
From the Long
We
Bar,
just, yeah.
So we decided to...
Is it possible to have a drink there?
Allow me to double check if they are still open, ma'am.
Ah, okay, sige. Nice, nice. Ah, yun ang Long Bar. Okay. kaya lang yung ilaw. Wow, ayan, fireworks in Makati. Not that I really like fireworks. Oh, wow. They're not scared of the... Hey, they're not scared of the fireworks. Hi!
Doggies!
Oo nga.